All right, good morning, everybody. Now, like I said in my message yesterday, I'm not going to be at school on January the 4th through the 7th. I will be back on January the 8th. So Friday will be a normal school day, but Monday through Thursday will not be. If your child is an A day student, meaning they come on Monday and Tuesday, still have them come to school, there will be a substitute. And if your child is a B day student on Monday and Tuesday, it will be a remote learning day just like normal. The only thing that's different is that there won't be any Google Meets that day. Wednesday is a typical remote learning day for everybody. All your activities are on Google Classroom. They know how to do that. Thursday is if your child is an A day, they're at home, no Google Meets that day. If your child's a B day, they come to school, there will be a substitute. Now, I didn't want us to get behind in math or in reading. So what I did a couple weeks ago is I started to record myself teaching. So I wanted to show you where that's at. If your child is in school on one of the days that I'm not there, the substitute knows to play these videos and she has access to them. If you are at home during any of these days, the videos are on Google Classroom for you to access. So I'm going to walk you through how to get to it. Let me shrink my webcam here. Okay, so when you get into Google Classroom, you'll see here we got our stream. If you want to know what the schedule is for the week, it's right here. You just click on it, and there's the A day schedule, and there's a B day schedule. Notice no meets, no Google Meets, no Google Meets, no Google Meets on Thursday, but check out Friday, normal school day, there are Google Meets. But to get to the actual work, you go over to classwork. None of this is new. Your child should know how to do this. So if they say that they don't, we've been in school since August, they know how to do this. Um, if you're an Access Ed child, your science is right here, Access Ed Science. You have a passage to read about what a fossil is, and then there's a Google form. That is only for Access Ed students. If your child is not Access Ed, then that won't show up on their screen, so it's not required for them to do it. But Access Ed, that's your science for the week. All right, so Monday, January the 4th. Right here it says no live Google Meets today. Miss Lawton will be back on Friday. Be good. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is watch the math video lesson. Or sorry, math lesson video and then multiplication practice. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see that it'll say January 4th math lesson, January 4th reading lesson. They need to click on these and watch the lesson. Okay, they need to truly watch the lesson. They cannot just skip over it because this is new content. So this is not a review, this is brand new. This is large digit multiplication that we're starting, and it's important that they understand how to do it. So they need to watch both videos. So watch the video first, and then there's 2x1 and 3x1 multiplication practice. Do not use a calculator. I repeat, calculators are not allowed. If you watch the video, I will walk you through how to do this several times. You need to have your graph paper math journal and a pencil, and there will be times when I say, please pause the video, or I'll say, stop the video and catch up. So please sit there with your graph paper math journal and a pencil. And if you need to watch it multiple times, you can. Then there's the reading video. Remember, watch the reading video first, and then poetry structure and questions right there. That is Monday. Now, if I was a B day student and it's Monday and I'm not normally in school anyway, or in the building at least, I think I would get started really early in the morning, like maybe 7:30, 8 o'clock, so that way I can get done with it before 10:30. But that's just me. I tend to like to get things done early. January 5th is Tuesday. Hold on. Wonder why that wasn't showing up, but it's there. Um, January 5th math video right here. Remember, watch it. Multiplication practice. Here's the January 5th reading lesson. And then drama structure questions. Wonder why that's not showing up. I'm going to log in as a student after I make this video. Oh, there it is. Okay. Sometimes it just needs time to realize that it's there. I'll still log in as a student to make sure everything's there though. January 6th agenda, that's our typical Wednesday remote learning day. Again, no Google Meets. They have a hidden picture right here, and then they have cause and effect cards. Do not, and I repeat, do not get on iReady. Okay, this is that whole week. Do not get on iReady at all. Not at all, not at all, not at all. Don't get on iReady. Okay, they don't need to be on it, not even on the remote learning days, not even during the regular school days. Do not get on iReady. Because the reason why is that we are having a middle of the year, kind of like at the beginning of the year, they had that little assessment that they had to do. They're going to do a middle of the school year one, and I'd rather them take it with me present in the room than with a substitute or at home. So please do not take it. Don't even get on it. Don't log on it at all because it'll automatically start the assessment. Don't do that. Don't get on it. So Wednesday is really light. There's no iReady. They just got that hidden picture and the cause and effect cards. Thursday, January the 7th. B-Day kids are in the classroom. A-Day kids are at home. And it did it again, but I am darn sure it's there, so hold tight. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Math lesson. You want to watch it. Then the 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication practice. January 7th reading lesson. And then here's a poetry, drama, and prose elements sort. They need to complete all of those. Watch the lessons first before you do the independent practice. So if it were me, watch the math video, do the math independent practice. Watch the reading video, then do the reading and do the reading independent work. Okay. Yep, see, there it is. Okay. And then the 8th will be a typical school day. I'll have my B-Day kids in the classroom. I'll be there. A-Day kids, we will have Google Meet. So make sure you are ready at 8:30 8:30 for our math lesson. And we'll do a review on Friday of everything that you did this week. But I really do not want to get to school on Friday and realize that you have not watched the videos and I have to start at the very beginning because that's a huge waste of time. Okay, so make sure you're watching those videos. If you have any questions, I will have my phone on me. I will have access to my phone. I will not have access to my laptop because I have to leave that for the sub to use for the smartboard. But I will have my phone. If I can fix it through my phone, I will. I may have to, if I have to use a laptop, I may have to have Miss Kaiser or Miss Williams go in and fix it that way. And that might take a little bit of time because they'll have their own class to take care of. But I will have my phone. So if you want to message me, you can. If you have any other questions between now and then, just let me know. Have a wonderful day.